Hey guys, today I'm with my brother. Gul hello.
Hello.
Gul hey guys.
Hi guys.
He's playing right now. Oh no, he died. He's a baby. It's okay. He's 2 years old. No. Okay. Awesome. He died again. Let's see. No, I'm definitely gonna die. I mean, he's definitely gonna die. He fell. But it's okay. He's still learning. Okay, he's doing good. Oh no! I'm trying to make him feel good about himself because he doesn't know. Oh, he won! Yay! Okay, you beat it. So, he's about to step some.
Amen.
Puppy bear. So he's saying, who is this? Wolfie, he's saying, where is the horse? I told him there's no horse. Wolfie. Yay, he won. He's so happy when he wins. No, stop. Freaking ants. It's not working. Okay, yalla. Okay, so first I'm gonna upgrade my home. Upgrade. Oh, he's good. He's good, guys. He's good. Good boy. No, he died. Let's revive him. Oh my gosh, he has to draw a eye. Okay. Draw a mouse. Okay, let me just X this ad when the thing comes up. Okay, let me pause. Okay, so this video might be a little bit bad and like boring because my brother's playing and he takes kind of a long time, but yeah. And this game's name is Techbird.
Yay! Hello.
Wow, he's making a nice speech. I want to download this app. He's gonna do it. He did a good beat. Thank you, Bo. I'm sorry if you don't like to watch my brother play. Woo! It's a pig.
It's a pig.
I'm telling him, look at the pig. It's a bear. He's saying, where am I? I'm telling him, you're the bear. Yay, he won. I got a new place. There's a bee. If I win, I'm literally going to call her Beatrice. Oh, come on. No. Okay, one more spin. Please. Aww, I didn't win. It's okay, we can try next time even though the person... Let me pause. Okay, what the heck?
Okay.
Let me just unpause, remove this.
Oh no.
Select, I got a bluebird. What happened? What happened? Okay, so he's gone. So thanks for watching, I guess. If you want other videos of my brother playing, please make sure to write in the comments. Bye. We ended that one off with a death.